What's new with FDA Guidance? Advanced Manufacturing Technologies. Purpose of AMT Program. The AMT program promotes innovative manufacturing technologies to improve drug quality and supply chain robustness. Eligibility and regulatory pathway. Clear eligibility criteria and a regulatory pathway reduce uncertainty and foster innovation in drug manufacturing. Addressing industry challenges. The program aims to solve drug shortages and quality issues, benefiting the pharmaceutical industry and public health. Integration with FDA initiatives. AMT integrates with other FDA programs to ensure a cohesive approach to advancing manufacturing technologies. Batch Uniformity and Drug Product Integrity. FDA Draft Guidance Overview. The FDA's 2025 Draft Guidance focuses on ensuring batch uniformity and drug product integrity for manufacturers. Advanced Manufacturing Technologies. Guidance encourages use of PAT, continuous manufacturing, and real-time quality monitoring to enhance product quality. Risk-based sampling and testing. Emphasizes scientific, risk-based strategies for in-process sampling and testing at critical production points. Stakeholder engagement. Guidance is open for public comment to gather stakeholder feedback for regulatory modernization. Opioid Labeling Updates. Updated safety labeling. FDA mandates updated opioid labels to highlight risks of long-term use including addiction and overdose. Gradual tapering guidance. Guidance emphasizes gradual opioid tapering to reduce withdrawal symptoms like neuropsychiatric effects. Drug interaction warnings. Stronger warnings on interactions with gabapentinoids which can increase respiratory failure risk. Role of naloxone. Labeling highlights naloxone's role in reversing opioid overdose by restoring normal breathing. AI in drug development. FDA AI regulatory guidance. The FDA's draft guidance sets a framework for using AI in regulatory decision-making for drugs and biological products. Transparency and validation. The guidance emphasizes documenting AI algorithms, data sources, and validation methods to ensure transparency and trust. Ethical and reliable AI use. Manufacturers must address ethical concerns, including bias mitigation, data privacy, and ensuring AI reliability. Digital transformation in healthcare. This guidance reflects the trend toward digital transformation, fostering innovation while maintaining safety and efficacy standards. Vigilare Biopharma. Safeguarding tomorrow's therapies. Driven by science. Inspired by innovation. Committed to care. Contact us. www.vigilarebp.com. Mail us. info@vigilarebp.com.